Introducing GoPxL, LMI Technologies' 3D measurement and inspection platform. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to create multiple data viewer windows and views for maximum control over and visibility into your scan data. In the top right corner of the data viewer, click Split Vertical button. In the newly created data viewer page, you can collapse the tool's configuration panel to view both windows, and change the view to perspective to orbit the target. You can change views and modes with the toolbar at the top of the data viewer window. In the new data viewer window on the right, click on the height map icon. Change the view to points mode by clicking on the mode drop-down menu and selecting points. Zoom in on the scanned data to see individual data points. Change mode from points to mesh view. Change view to intensity to see black and white contrast overlaid over top of the 3D point cloud. You can also add a new data viewer window external to the GoPxL browser window by clicking on the pop-out button. With this option, we can pin an output to a new browser window. Navigate back to the GoPxL browser window. At the bottom of the displayed outputs panel, under the data viewer, click on the Pin and Output drop-down menu. Select a measurement output previously set up. For example, let's use surface dimension 1/distance. The surface dimension 1 distance will be pinned in the data viewer and displayed outputs. Alternatively, you can click the pin icon in the left of the displayed outputs panel to pin an item to the data viewer. Because all pop-out and split view data viewers have their own displayed outputs panel and toolbar, you can truly customize your environment. Click on the link icon to the right of the Pin and Output menu to copy displayed outputs for use in GoHMI. Open a new browser window or tab, then paste the link into the browser address to create an additional GoPxL visualizer window. Save your measurement tool configuration as a job file. Then click the job list drop-down in the top left corner to see your available selections. With GoPxL data visualization, you've got a ton of options to work with. These are just some of the powerful capabilities in GoPxL that provide improved usability and productivity. Welcome to GoPxL, LMI Technologies' measurement and inspection platform.